Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare oregano oil versus oil of oregano. Understanding the distinction between these two products is crucial for proper use and expected benefits. We'll explore how each is made, their typical concentrations, and what that means for you. This comparison will help clarify which product might be best suited for your specific needs and why. Oregano oil is generally created by steeping dried oregano leaves in a base oil, such as olive or grapeseed oil, for an extended period. This infusion process allows some of the plant's compounds to transfer into the carrier oil. As a result, it offers a gentler concentration of beneficial components, making it suitable for culinary uses or topical applications where a less potent effect is desired. Oil of oregano, on the other hand, is a highly concentrated essential oil derived from the oregano plant through a process called steam distillation. This method extracts the volatile aromatic compounds, resulting in a product rich in carvacrol and thymol. These powerful compounds contribute to its strong properties. Due to its potency, it's often diluted before use and is typically not for direct consumption without professional guidance. The main difference lies in their concentration and intended use. Oregano oil is milder, making it versatile for culinary applications or direct skin use. Oil of oregano, being an essential oil, is significantly more potent and typically used for targeted wellness support, often requiring dilution. Remember to always check the product's carvacrol content for essential oils. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.